Are you looking for the best beanbag chairs in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best beanbag chairs that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the huge 6-inch memory foam beanbag chair. This bag has a 6-inch size that is an excellent size for everyone to use with ease. The 72 by 48 by 34 inches oversized lounger can fit 2 people comfortably and allow you to collapse into a seat for a relaxing position. It is inclusive of a microfiber cover that offers a soft and comfortable user experience. On top of that, it contains durable shredded memory foam that takes up your body shape as you wind down. It features removable double-stitched microsuede fiber which is machine washable, stain-resistant, easy to maintain, soft to touch and prevents discoloration. The versatile construction allows you to use it as a deco to beautify your room's design. Moving on at number 4. We have the Jax Bean Bag Sofa Saxx Bean Bag Lounger. Jump on the Jax Bean Bag is the biggest lounger in all available beanbags present in the market. This hammock will add relaxation to your personal area, therefore leave no stone unturned to purchase this luxury for your property. A giant beanbag is highly appropriate for a person to watch a movie, taking a nap or chit-chatting with your family or friends. Here we are not insisting you to purchase it for your physical comfort, we are asking you to use it gain invincible peace of mind. Don't ignore your comfort, this is all for which you are doing hard work and bearing unnecessary pressure on the entire world and you are making compromise over it. Please don't be, as now you can gain this privilege that is within your budget. Yes, this filled Saxx bag packed with a perfect blend of micro-cushion foam, which is covered with the finest yet perfect breathable fabric which is super comfortable to seat. Still, if you are a bit conscious about its cleanliness then doesn't worry. It is available with a removable cover which can be easily removed from the bean bag and can be easily washed in the machine. At number 3, we have the Big Joe Media Lounger. Though this beanbag is fairly large, one reviewer reports, "It's big enough for our 3 children, ages 10, 7 and 6, to sit on it together, or for my wife and I to sit on it together. And so comfortable. But it's also got sewn-on straps that make it easy to move." One customer says, without handles it would be really challenging, but he found this one to be really easy to move around. Plus, he says the beanbag itself, super comfortable. Another calls it soft and very voluminous. He thinks the handles are super helpful, making it easy to move with 2 people. But he warns that once you take it out of the box, it will not fit back into the box, adding, "Laugh away, because that was me trying to jam it back in. This thing is way bigger than the box when opened." At number 2, we have the Chenille Bean Bag Chair. One of the best beanbag chairs is this beanbag chair from Corduroy's. It uses polyfoam to ensure there are no pressure points as you relax. It has 48 inches size width that accommodates 2 adults with ease and comfort. The interchangeable mechanism allows you to convert it from a regular chair to a queen-size bed with 0 skills. It comes with a beautiful cover which is washable and dries fast, thus offers easy cleanup. It features safe lock zippers for added safety. The soft dimpled microfiber has a durable woven backing that offers long-lasting performance. It is tested and guaranteed to give maximum comfort and safe use. And finally at number 1, we have the Jaxx Bean Bag Chair. Jaxx are the most comfortable yet most stylish padded bag available on the whole planet. The foam used in this bag is quite fluffier but less dense than rest of the foams, thus it is soft in touch and non-lumpy in comparison to the other competitors. Whenever a person sits on the rock shape form it starts taking the shape of your figure. Moreover, here you have a chance to purchase a hand-selected fabric. Who doesn't want to sit on such soft chair? We guesses everyone. In that case, choose this liable Jaxx over thousands of foam present in the market. Comfort is guaranteed, moreover in your budget. Here high-quality polyurethane foam, high-quality zipper, and the carefully curated fabric are selected for this bag. Seams are double-ended switched and that too for maximum length and strength. The finest features won't make you disappointed from the Jaxx, as it won't leak, break or moreover get flat ever. Even manufacturers are not behind in offering extra luxury to their buyer, they are providing 3 years guarantee for the comfort. If you are still confused but want an easy furnishing alternative for your TV room or living room, then you can choose Jaxx for an easy budget contribution. Its foam recovers 10 times faster than the comparative box. This makes it ideal for relaxing, cuddling, napping or playing games. When you purchase it, then you will find that it is ideal furniture for your house. Just perfect, sit back and relax. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.